When you pull up to a home in Gilbert, one of the first things you notice is its windows. Bright, clean, and stylish windows don't just let in light, they frame your house and set the tone for its overall appearance. If your windows are outdated, cracked, or mismatched, they may be dragging down your home's curb appeal. Fortunately, replacement windows offer one of the fastest and most effective ways to give your property an instant facelift. A fresh, modern look. Old windows often tell their age. Peeling paint, foggy glass, and worn frames can make even a well-maintained home look tired. Replacement windows, on the other hand, provide a crisp, clean appearance right away. Modern styles feature sleek frames, larger glass areas, and updated finishes that enhance the architecture of your home. Whether you choose a traditional design or a more contemporary look, new windows immediately communicate that your home is cared for and up to date. Enhanced color and style options. One of the advantages of investing in replacement windows in Gilbert is the wide range of customization. You can choose from different frame colors, grid patterns, and hardware finishes that complement your exterior design. This flexibility allows you to create a unified look that ties together your roof, siding, and landscaping. For example, white vinyl frames can brighten a stucco exterior, while darker finishes add contrast and sophistication. By upgrading to windows that fit your style, your home makes a stronger impression from the street. Improved glass clarity and natural light. Foggy or cracked windows reduce visibility and block natural light, which can make your home look dull. Replacement windows with high-quality glass improve clarity, making your home shine inside and out. From the outside, clear windows create a polished appearance. From the inside, they allow more natural light to brighten rooms, which adds warmth and energy. When sunlight reflects off clean, modern glass, your home looks more inviting and vibrant to visitors and neighbors. Architectural harmony. In Gilbert, homes come in a variety of styles: ranch, modern desert, or Mediterranean-inspired designs. The right replacement windows can complement these architectural elements. For instance, arched or picture windows highlight distinctive features, while sliding or casement styles emphasize clean lines. Matching your window style to your home's design creates balance and enhances its unique character. This architectural harmony is one of the key reasons replacement windows have such a dramatic impact on curb appeal. Energy efficiency meets beauty. Curb appeal is about more than looks, it's also about perception. Today's buyers and neighbors appreciate energy efficiency. Replacement windows with low E coatings, double panes, and insulated frames not only save on energy bills but also add to the overall value and desirability of your home. When people see modern windows, they recognize your home as efficient and well cared for, which adds instant credibility and charm. Low maintenance for lasting appeal. Another way replacement windows boost curb appeal is through durability. Old wood frames require scraping, painting, and frequent upkeep. Newer materials, such as vinyl or fiberglass, are designed to resist weather damage and fading. This means your home maintains its fresh appearance longer without the constant effort. A low-maintenance exterior makes your property look sharp day after day, which is especially important in Gilbert's hot, dry climate. The instant impact. Few home improvements deliver results as quickly as replacing windows. While projects like landscaping or repainting take time to mature, new windows look great the moment they're installed. Neighbors notice the difference right away, and prospective buyers see them as a strong selling point. For homeowners who want to give their property an immediate boost, replacement windows are one of the smartest investments. Final thoughts. If your Gilbert home is starting to look outdated, don't underestimate the power of replacement windows. With fresh designs, modern finishes, and improved energy efficiency, they transform both the appearance and the perception of your home instantly. By upgrading your windows, you'll enjoy a property that shines with curb appeal and stands out in the neighborhood the moment the project is complete.